All right, guys. So we've made our tables, right? We're done with our tables. We're ready to move on to making a cladogram. As promised, I'm going to do this with you guys, but you guys are going to give me the answers. I'm just going to sort of be the guide. I'm going to help you out a little bit if we get stuck. So on the back side of your table, I know this is a little inconvenient because you're going to have to flip back and forth. Maybe you can share with one of the members of your group, and then he can fill out the answers later. You've collected data from your candy bars now. I want you to take that data, I want you to analyze it, and we're going to fill out the remainder of this cladogram together. Now, on the board I've drawn a cladogram. This one's a little bit more, a little simpler in nature than the ones you guys have on your paper, but it serves the same purpose. It's just that this one doesn't have the extra characteristics that you see on your cladogram. So, can somebody tell me the first two characteristics on your cladogram that you're using to separate out your candy? Sure.
Milk chocolate exterior and dark chocolate exterior.
So, if we look on our table, do we have anything that doesn't have a milk chocolate exterior?
Only the Milky Way Midnight.
Indeed.
And so, does the Milky Way Midnight, can we say it has a dark chocolate exterior instead?
Yes.
Alright, so you'll notice that on your cladogram you've got the long line there.
Mm-hmm.
That's indicative of the oldest, or in this case, our most different type of candy. And so on the longest line, that's where we want to put the Milky Way Midnight, right? So I'll go ahead and put that up here, and I want you guys to add that to your own cladogram. Alright, so, here, how about, we'll go to you. What are the next two characteristics that we're using?
No Rice Crisps and Rice Crisps.
So, do we have anything on here that does not have Rice Crisps?
Yeah,
A lot of them?
Yes,
A lot of them have
yes.
Rice Crisps, right? I worded that question not very well. Do we have anything on here that does have Rice Crisps?
Yes.
Yes.
The Nestle Crunch.
Is that the only one?
Yes. Yep.
So is it safe to say we can put that on the next line?
Yes.
Yep.
All right, let's put that on the next line. All right, what are the next two characteristics that we're looking at?
No wafer or wafer.
So can we use that information to separate out another candy bar?
Yes.
Yes.
And which one would that be?
Twix.
Do we all agree with that?
Yep.
Yep.
All right. So I'll tell you what. It seems to me like you guys are getting this down pretty well yourself. Do you think you can fill out the rest of your cladogram without my assistance?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to leave you guys to that. Just remember, make sure you're really using the data from your table. That's what's going to make this easy for you. If you have questions, go ahead and ask me. I'm probably going to come around behind you and ask you a couple questions myself, just to make sure that we're really understanding the process. So go ahead and start on the next one. I'll listen in, and I'll come around and ask questions if I need to.
Okay. Alright.
Contains nuts or no nuts.
Nuts, okay. So we have 3 that contain nuts, but
Oh,
and
I
5
see.
that don't. So
Let's
we need to split those up more.
Okay.
Three Musketeers is also the only one with the whipped chocolate center.
Okay.
3 Muscat.
So
Well, that was a good catch. Before you guys move on, I just want to ask you, what did you just do there? You noticed something about one of the candy bars that lets you separate it out without going directly in order. So go ahead and explain that to your group mates just real quick.
Oh, okay. I just looked at the whipped chocolate center column and saw that Three Musketeers was the only one with a yes.
So were you able to use that information and place it immediately on the cladogram without having to worry about the other characteristics necessarily?
Yes.
Right. So that was a good catch.
So the other one with no nuts is what? So we've already used Three Musketeers, Nestle, Twix, and Midnight Milky Way, so just Milky Way.
So that's going to be going to nougat.
Yes.